Susan. I am so happy today to be participating in a collab hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner. Her channel is full of all the greatest decorating and hauls and beautiful tablescapes. So I'm excited to be doing this, and the theme for this collab is Fall Lantern. So we are to take a lantern and decorate it for fall, or use it in a tablescape for fall. Just use our lantern with fall. I will list Kenya's channel in my description box down below, as well as the playlist. I'm sure it's going to be a lot of pretty things done today. I'm going to set up a fall display using this lantern I got at a yard sale. This candlestick I actually paid only a quarter for because I got it at half off. Everything $5 and under was half priced. I'm going to use it. I may paint it one day, but right now I'm going to go with it the way it is. I paid 50 cents for this candlestick. And the next one that I'll show you, I paid $1. I'm going to put these fairy lights in that lantern. I don't remember how much I paid for the lantern. I got it at a yard sale, but the candlesticks I got at Habitat for Humanity. And I've got these glass pumpkins from Dollar Tree. And I've got some pumpkin picks and some of these leaves from Dollar Tree. Now the glass pumpkins I decided to swap out with the ones that's in my floral. I did that as a previous video, and I really loved how it turned out. But the pumpkins in it are styrofoam, and so because I have 3 cats, I'm going to swap out the pumpkins. I'm going to use the glass ones in my florals, and I'm going to take the styrofoam ones that's in the florals and use them with my candlesticks. Now as I put my lights down in my lantern, my supervisor comes to check things out. I put one of the glass pumpkins in the bottom, and then I just add in the lights. At first I thought I would put these leaves inside the lantern so that the lights would bounce off the glittery edges, but they were really just too big. I couldn't get the darker one in there, and I got the other one in there, but it just didn't look right. If it had been smaller, it would have been much better. So I took it out. I added in this pretty berry pick. It was a white pumpkin and then berries, and I just added it to the top. And as you can see in the background, I got another little friend coming and help watching. And I added this flower in there, and I did take pictures and videos with the flower in there, but it just seemed like it was too much from that side, so I eventually did pull out the flower at the very end, although all my finishing videos are pretty much with the flower. This side you can see the pretty pumpkins, but when you were looking at it from when I would sit on my love seat, all you could see was that big old flower. You couldn't see the pumpkins. And now I'm just setting these styrofoam pumpkins on the candlesticks and the candle holder. My kitty cats do like to get into my florals, so that's another reason, because I was afraid they would knock down if I put the glass ones up there. And I have a few more picks that I just stuck into my lantern, and it really looks pretty. The video just does not do it justice. And I just tucked in that last acorn that I had. It was really too tall for the lantern, and the lantern didn't really need it. So I just stuck it into my florals. I'd like to take a moment to invite you to my other channel, Susan's Southern Cooking. There's a lot of good Southern food there. I think you'll like it if you like that kind of food. So please come by and check us out. I really would appreciate it. And my sweet supervisor, she just continually watching over things as I try to figure out what I'm going to do. I decided just to prop the leaves up on my wooden candle holder at the bottom. And here's my finished project. I really love how it turned out. I just think it has a bit of an elegance about it. I hope you think the same thing. And this is without the flower. I just think it looks a lot better without that flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please join my family. I really would appreciate it. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. So until next time, bye.